Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the YADU Enterprises MicPro Type 2 rechargeable wireless microphone. This is a this is basically a karaoke mic, a mobile karaoke mic which is wireless and also rechargeable. It comes with party lights and also has a voice changer or a modulator on it. The current variant is black. And that's more or less all the information I can find here. And there's a diagram over here that shows you the different controls of this particular mic. Over here, it's written that output power is 5 watts, so this is a 5 watt mic. Frequency range is 100 hertz to 10 kilohertz. Reverberation mode, sound effect reverberation, comes with a built-in lithium-ion battery, and battery capacity is 1800 mAh. I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside. Alright. And there you go. This is what you find inside the box. We have a karaoke treasure instructions, an instruction manual for this particular mic. You should read this at least once. Next we have a micro USB to 3.5mm cable. This is for when you want to use the aux cable function. And this is the micro USB charging cable for this particular device. And this is the karaoke mic in question. This is the YADU Enterprises Type 2 MicPro Type 2 karaoke mic. This is a portable mic. So the battery is over here, it's screwed right in. This comes with a piano black finish, as you will notice, a very glossy finish. And at the top you have this chrome finish as well. However, it is made out of plastic. This has no metallic component to it, at least on the outset. Okay, underneath this heavy base, this is the 5 watt speaker. This is where the sound will come out of from. And there's a lot of controls. So it's a power button, plus minus volume for when you want to increase, decrease the volume. This is also for echo and everything. This play, pause button, changing volume, etc. Also for recording, and also there's one for the LED lights as well. On the side you have a USB-A port and a TF card slot as well. And on this end you have a line in for your headset and a micro USB charging port. I will try to turn this on now. I will switch this on now.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
There you go, it's ready to pair now. Let's see if I can press mode, what happens. Hello. Okay, nothing happens. Hello.
Aux input model.
Okay.
The radio model. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So there you go. The speaker also comes with this added LED light functionality. As you can see, it's breathing right now. And you can control the LEDs by pressing this LED button over here. So there you switched it off. This is one mode. And that's it. There are only two modes, when you switch it on and switch it off. That's about it. And what else do we have? Okay. Hello. I'm going to increase the volume. Hello. Okay, you can hear my voice through the mic right now. Yeah. I'll see if the echo. Hello. So that's the echo functionality that comes from this particular mic. So you heard that, that's the echo functionality that comes with this mic. So these are just two of the various functionalities of this particular wireless rechargeable mic. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box. Thank you for watching.